Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Jake Sloan, and I normally do videos about phones, drones, and camera equipment and how to use it, and tips and tutorials while I explore the great wilderness and outdoors of Alaska. And one of the things that I get to do that not very many people get to is actually go and explore glaciers at a very up close and very personal level. And one of those places is Byron Glacier, which has these fantastic ice caves that I get to go into. And if you've seen my other content, my other videos on this channel, you know that a lot of my content revolves around glaciers. For whatever reason, I live by a bunch of glaciers. But I wanted to give you the experience of what it's like to actually go inside of a glacier and spend time inside of a glacier ice cave. And so I had my Insta360 One camera. It's not the best. I wish I had a better quality one, but I don't, and I don't shoot a lot of 360 video, but I took some video and I threw it together so that you could experience what it's like to be inside of a glacier ice cave. Headphones are best because there's a lot of sounds that happen inside of a glacier ice cave. And if you're on a mobile device or a viewing headset, you can of course look around. If you're on a desktop, you can click around by moving your mouse and look around. And basically, I'm taking you inside of one of the ice caves at Byron Glacier. Enjoy. Yeah, this is probably the best spot right here. All right. A little softbox action. Enjoy. Dude, that one little column with the light that comes through it,
Pretty cool looking.
it's just so cool.
You can really make it look like the light's coming up from the top.
Yeah, it's really,